Hello everyone, welcome to ThinkBeyond, the channel where learning goes beyond the ordinary. Here we explore the fascinating world of mathematics, science and coding, from breaking down complex concepts to sparkling creativity. ThinkBeyond is designed for curious learners, students and lifelong explorers. So let's talk about our website, which is going to be launched very soon. ThinkBeyond doesn't stop here. We also offer interactive online classes where learning is practical, engaging, and fun. You can find even more content and resources in our website, ThinkBeyond. Now, let's discuss about the channel goals. So, our mission is very simple: to educate, inspire, and empower students to think outside the box, connect ideas, and achieve their full potential. So whether you are preparing for exams, looking to master coding, or just love exploring new concepts, hit that subscribe button and let's think beyond together. So now we are going to discuss Grade 10 Mathematics Chapter 1 Exercise 1A. As I have mentioned here, you can see it. These are the questions we are going to discuss in today's session. So if you'll have any doubt regarding the solution or you want the PDF of the solution, you can comment down in the comment section. So let's start with the very first question. The first question is: the square number pattern starts 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and it continues. So let's solve this. Okay, so for first question, the pattern is given and the pattern is 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. Okay, so when you will focus in the patterns, these are the squares of integers, right? This is 1 square, this is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and 5 square, and it's continuous, right? So now we have to write the next terms. Okay, we have to write the next 15 terms. So let's do it. So here the 6 will come. 6 square, sorry, not 6. This is 6 square, it means 36. Now here 7 will come. 7 square is 49. Then 8 will come, which is 64. Then 9 will come, which is 81. Then 10, which is 100. 11 square is 121. Then let's move here. 12 square, which will give you 144. 13 square, which will give you 169. 14 square, which will give you 196. 15 square, which will give you 225. 16 square is 256. 17 square, 298. 18 square, 324. 19 square, 361. 20 square, 400. So we are done with question 1. If you want to note down the answers, you can stop the video and just note down the answers. Okay, so now let's move to the second question. We have to work out the answers to each of these number sentences. These are the number sentences: 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 plus 5, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Okay, let's solve it. So it is given 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 plus 5, this is 4, this is 9, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, this is 16. So we have to observe the pattern, and here if you'll see, this is the sum of n odd numbers, right? If we'll focus, this is odd numbers. 1, 3, 5. 5 is also an odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7. These are also odd numbers. Okay. So now if you want to find the another next term, so you are simply gonna add all these numbers, right? But this is not the way of doing it. We have a very simple formula for this, which is called sum of the first n odd numbers equals to n square. Okay, if it is given, let's do it. How many first odd numbers is given in this one? 2, right? First and second. 2 square is 4. This is the answer. How many odd numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, right? 3 square, which is 9. This is the answer. How many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 odd numbers are given. 4 square, which is 16. Now another sequence will come. It will go 5 square, 6 square. So this is the formula you have to remember. Mark it star. It's very important. Now let's go to the third question. Okay, this one is the very interesting question. So we just have to see the pattern. Let me zoom it for you. Okay, some student has already done this. So only let's discuss. As you can observe, the first one, this is the square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5, and it's continue till 9 square, which is 81. It is written here, right? Okay, now see. 1 plus 1 is 2, 4 plus 1 is 5, 9 plus 1 is 10. So what they are doing? They are just adding plus 1 for A, right? 25 plus 1 is 26, 36 plus 1 is 37, 49 plus 1 is 50, 64 plus 1 is 65, 81 plus 1 is 82. So I hope the first one is clear to you. Now the next one. What is happening in the next one? Just multiply it by 2. Okay, look at the first 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on. They are just multiplying it by 2. 1 times 2 is 2 here. 4 times 2 is 8 here. 9 times 2 is 18 here. 16 times 2 is 30. 25 times 2 is 50. 36 times 2 is 72. 49 times 2 is 98 and so on. Okay, now look at the third one. What is happening? Okay, so now look at the C1. What is happening? Look at the first row. 1, 4, 9, 16. 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on. They are just adding plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3, 6. 9 plus 2 is 11. They have written 11. 16 plus 2 is 18. It is written here. 25 plus 2, 27. 36 plus 2, 38. 49 plus 2, 51 and so on. Okay. Now look at the D question. This one. Okay, so they are simply subtracting 1, 4, 9 and 16. 1 minus 1 will give you 0. 4 minus 1 will give you 3. 9 minus 1 will give you 8. 16 minus 1 will give you 15. Same thing, 0, 3, 8, 15. 25 minus 1, 24. 36 minus 1, 35. 49 minus 1, 48, 64 minus 1, 63, 81 minus 1, 80. So we have completed question number 3 also. If you have any doubt, you can mention question number and you can just tell me, Miss, please explain me. I will explain it to you. Now let's move to the question number 4. Question number 4 says, work out the values of both expressions in each pair. You may use calculator, but I will never suggest you to use calculator. Okay, look at the patterns. The given 3 square plus 4 square and 5 square. 5 square, 12 square, 13 square. Okay. And question number B says, describe what you notice about your answer to part A. This will help you communicate mathematically with others. Okay. So for question 4, the expressions are given 3 square, 4 square. Okay. 3 plus 4 square, this is 9. 4 square is 16, which is 25. Okay, and they have written here 5 square. So this is the answer. Now the next pattern they have given 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square is 25, 12 square 144, and they have written 13 square, right, which is 169. Now the next pattern 7 square plus 24 square. 7 square is 49 and plus 24 square is 576, so which is equals to 625, which will give you 25 square. Okay, now the last one 9 square plus 40 square. 9 square is what? 81. 40 square 1600. Just add it, you will get 1681, which is the square of 41. Okay, now come to the next question, which is B. Describe what you notice about your answer A. Okay, what we have noticed of answer A, here is 5 square, 13 square, 25 square, and we are just adding these, right? What we can write for the conclusion for B, the sum of squares of two numbers equals the square of another number, right? And this is also called Pythagoras theorem. If you have studies, you can write this follows: the Pythagorean theorem. I hope you guys know what is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we will not discuss it here. If you want to know what is Pythagoras theorem, then you can comment down in the comment section. Now let's move to the question number 5. What is question number 5? Okay, 13 square. What is under root of 169, which is 13, right? Okay, let's do it. Easy. So the pattern is given 169, which is 13, and we have to write for 25, for 81, for 121, 400. So now look at 25. How we can write 25? 5 times 5 is 25, right? Under root of 25, which is equals to 5, or you can say if a number having square, let me write it here, 5 square, then you can cut out this square's root. This is a short trick I'm telling you. So the answer is 5. 81, under root of 81, which is 9 square, you can cut out the roots, which is 9. Under root of 121, which is 11 square, you can cut out the roots, which is give you 11. For 400, it is 20. Clear? Now let's move to the question number 6. For question number 6, 4 and 81 are square numbers with a sum of 85. Okay. Find two different square numbers with a sum of 85. Great. Question number 6. Okay, so sum of two square number is 85. Given in the question, sum of two square numbers is equals to 85, and the first pair nine square, which is 18. Okay, so when you will add this 4 square, 9 square, 16 plus 18, you will get 85. Now let's talk about the second pair. 6 square, which is 36, and 7 square, which is 49. When you will add 36 and 49, you will get 85. So I know this is very easy, and if you need clarification, then comment down in the section. We are done with the exercise 1A of the Cambridge board grade 10. If you have any doubt regarding any question or any topic, or you want the solution of another exercise of Cambridge International Board Grade 10, then please comment down in the section. And if you are interested to take one-on-one session, then please fill out the Google form, which is given in the description box. And if you want to know more about the online classes, you can WhatsApp me. My number is also given in the description box. Thank you very much, and please hit the subscribe button so it will motivates me to keep providing the solution of these